Very good morning to all of you students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this session, we will study a chapter which is named as Logarithm. It is most important chapter according to your syllabus. So first of all, we will discuss some important formulas related to logarithm. Student, the first formula is log m into n base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base b. The second formula is log m into n into p into q and so on base a. It means that we can multiply different terms in the log. So the value will be log m base a, log n base a plus log p base a and so on. Next formula is log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. And the next formula is log m to the power n base a is equal to n log m base a. So these are the important formulas by which we can solve most of the questions which are related to this chapter. Now there are two another important formulas. First formula is log a to the power x base a. It means that its value will be x because here the value of a and base a both are same, that means they will be cancelled out. The second formula is a to the a log x base a is equal to x. In this case log a base a and both will be cancelled, so its value will be x only. Now the second another formula is log m base a. We can change their bases by the formula log m base a upon log a base b, where a and b both should be greater than 0 and a and b is not equal to 0, not equal to 1. Now we can write log m base b is equal to log m base a into log a base b. In the same way, we can write log a base b into log b base a is equal to 1 because both will be cancelled out. Now log a base b is equal to 1 upon log b base a. It means that we can interchange values and their bases. Now student, we will discuss here some examples which are related to the given formulas. Our first example is express log a square c upon under root b base 10 in the terms of log a base 10, log b base 10 and log c base 10. So we can write log a square c upon root b base 10 is equal to log a square c base 10 minus log under root b base 10 by the formula log m by n. Now we can further reduce it log a square base 10 plus log c base 10 minus log b to the power 1 by 2 base 10, and after that we can write it 2 log a base 10 plus log c base 10 minus 1 by 2 of log b base 10. So it will be converted into base 10. Now the next question is find the value of 3 plus log 10 to the power minus 2 base 10. So we can write 3 plus log 10 to the power minus 2 base 10 is equal to 3 plus minus 2 log 10 base 10 by the formula m to the power n. So its final value will be 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now take another example, log 125 upon log root 5. So its value will be, we can write log 125 upon log root 5 is equal to log 5 to the power 3 upon log 5 to the power 1 by 2. It means that we can write it 3 log 5 upon 1 by 2 log 5. It means that we will find only 6. In the same way, another example is log 72 base 6 minus log 2 base 6. So we can write log 72 upon 2 base 6 by the formula log m upon log n. So its value will be 2 log 6 base 6 is equal to 2 into 1 because we know that log a base a is equal to 1. So its value will be 2. Now take another example. Next example is 2 plus 1 by 2 log 9 base 10 minus 2 log 5 base 10. So we can write 2 into 1 because we know that because we know that log 10 is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 plus 2 log 9 base 10 minus 2 times of log 5 base 10. So it will be 2 log 10 base 10 plus 2 log 9 to the power 1 by 2 base 10 minus log 5 to the power 2 base 10. And we can write log 10 to the power 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10 minus log 25 base 10. So its final value will be log 25 log 12 base 10. Okay. We will discuss here the next example, and the next example is 7 log 16 upon 15 plus 5 log 25 upon 24 plus 3 log 81 upon 80 is equal to log 2. So here we have to prove that this value will be equal to log 2. So we can write 7 log 16 upon 15 plus 5 log 25 upon 24 plus 3 log 81 upon 80. So its value will be, we can write log 16 upon 15 base 7 plus log 25 upon 24 base 5 power 5 and plus log 81 upon 80 whole power 3 by the formula m log n, because we know that log m to the power n equals to log m into log n. Now we can apply here log m plus log n plus log p. It means that log m into n into p. So by the product formula we can write here log 2 to the power 4 upon 3 into 5 whole power 7 into 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 whole power 5 into 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 into whole power 3. So after solving this we can finally get log 2 to the power whole 28 minus 15 minus 12 into 5 to the power 10 minus 7 minus 3 into 3 to the power 12 minus 7 minus 5, because we know that when bases are same then their powers will be at, and when their bases are same and they are in the ratio then their powers becomes in subtraction. So its final value after solving we get log 2 power 1 into 5 power 0 into 3 power 0, and we know that 5 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 0 will be 1. It means that the final value will be log 2. In the same way, we can solve most of the questions which are only related to the formulas of logarithm. Now take another example. This example is find the values of x if log x base 10 minus log 2 minus x base 10 is equal to 1. So it is an example of logarithmic equation. It means that this is an equation which is in the form of log. So we can solve this equation and find the value of x by the given formulas. So we can write log x base 10 minus log 2x minus 1 base 10 equals to 1. It means that log x upon 2x minus 1 base 10 is equal to 1, because we know that log m minus log n equals to log m by n. So finally we will find the value 19x is equal to 10. It means that x is equal to 10 upon 19. Now student, you can solve most of the questions, and you should be trying the questions of your exercise, and you can easily solve all the questions which are given in your book, given your booklet by the formulas. So try and do as much as possible. Thank you very much.